Sprint legend Usain Bolt is not sparing the whip. Beating his former racers colleagues, Johan Blake, Kemar Bailey Cole, Warren Weir, and Michael O'Hara. You can hear the bawling from the beating by Bolt. All in defense of Coach Glenn Mills. Oh, the man go extensive and him go hard. Him beat them from laziness to lack of focus to no professionalism to some of them reach before them reach and rich before them rich. With his punchline, uno stop disrespecting Coach Mills. And you know, this interview by Bolt shows the world why the man is the greatest sprinter the world has ever seen. And at the same time, why Jamaica is struggling so much with this crop of sprinters. Different mindset, different mentality. One part of the interview, though, that is puzzling the Maverick is the part about Michael O'Hara. Don't want to wear him size? When I listen to this.
I'm not going to tell you, say, him a force him foot in our spikes. In our size, probably 8.5 spikes. And a size 10 him wear. No one will know that. And him a foot problem. Because him a try force him foot in our spikes. We got doctor and the doctor said, listen to me. No man, the youth is not size, he's size 10. This is why he having foot problem and injury and can't run.
Or wear your size. Or wear your size. Because if you don't stick your advice. Or I would have get 19, I'm not 1, I'm not 1.
Wear your size!